keto before and after. Loser mentality has regained his life. Read his story. I from a size 20 to an 8, he from a size 35 to a 31, 135 lbs total. It's quite difficult to get my husband at Starsenmyon to participate in my photo shoots of Instagram, but he was playing after seeing how huge his old pants were, and said let's add our keto diets before and after to our Insta. We've been together for 18 years, since we were teenagers. We grew up together and we learned everything side by side. How to cook, how to budget, how to live with someone, how to build a solid rock relationship, how to build a family, and how to support someone you love through anything. My goal weight took time to hit. That time I changed the way I see the food, the rewards and my body. I enjoyed, and I still enjoy this way of eating. I love how I feel and see myself. Enough to rationalize. God, I take back the name says it all. She is back in the chair. Another keto diet before and after 30 days result. My family the 18th of September and the 17th of November SW, 104 kilograms CW, 76 kilograms GW, 64 kilograms. I was not close to my heavier in the previous photo, left, but I think it's still a noticeable difference. My little boy is getting bigger and I'm getting smaller. I almost cowed myself in posting this before the image of me. This is me in my heaviest, probably around 187, maybe more. More than likely more. I asked my husband to shoot an elbow photo for a professional breastfeeding photo for IG. I do not even know what to say, other than how I feel my body. Go. I'm not sure what my real breaking point was, other than that we went on vacation and avoided all the photos. I ordered a bikini in a 4XL, Chinese size, and it did not fit, and the fact that I was turning 30 and I swore I would have lost weight by then. We also talked about getting married this summer and I was not going to be a fat girlfriend, always having my triple chin chase me in the photos. We have to stop putting deadlines in our bodies. We have our whole lives to be healthy and happy. Losing 20 pounds in 30 days does not mean my pics can't improve after my keto diet before and after 30 days. Create healthy habits, not restrictions. Do not think about what you cannot do but what you can do. Staying motivated is difficult. I fight against demons daily. But I know my body and mind well enough for now to know good food positivity and regular exercise brings not only my body, but my mind and soul. Keto Diet has dropped an incredible 83 pounds and wants to go for another 17 pounds. She writes, a little motivation to start your morning to the right. This is what it looks like minus 83 pounds. 17 more pounds to my goal. Medium light skin tone victory or peace sign. My initial weight was 260 pounds. 3 years wiser. Maybe. I honestly do not remember the exact date, but I'm pretty sure it was 33 LOL. Enjoying my 30 years, but I really do not want to waste the end of this by being overweight and unhealthy. I am definitely healthier now since I started my friendly trip with keto. I was doing many diets. Summer 2019, here I come for the long term. I want to share my results, recipes for successful weight loss in a ketogenic diet, as well as some tips and tricks for people who have just started. Without the problem of diarrhea. It starts in your mind. Think really about your goals and how much energy you are really putting into them. Keep carbohydrate low on your meal plans and you will do well. Your routine could cost you. The trainer's wife is the perfect image of health. Liz writes, yes, keto has transformed my body, but even more it has transformed my relationship with food, my eating habits and my time in the kitchen. I love the freedom that keto gives me and the ability to create truly satisfying meals. I love that I'm not hungry all the time, I never feel deprived, and I can always find something that fits my goals. And it tastes good. Keto works for me. I was finally able to reduce the size of my scrubbing funds. I have not been able to reduce the size on the top yet because these hips do not lie smiling face with open mouth and cold sweat, but I hope soon. I definitely needed this NSV to be motivated this week. I hope everyone is having a good week so far. Keep killing him. Carolina loses seems completely unrecognizable from her past self. She tells us I am 6 months post-op and 100 pounds down. Party popper 300 lbs vs 199 lbs. I still have 50 to 60 pounds to lose until I'm where I want to be. But I'm so happy to see how far I've come. Sometimes I need to be reminded because I still feel fat and aware of myself. But I am much more than that. Visit ketois.com for more keto before and after pics.